Hi everyone, this is Bubu and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw very easy and cute caterpillars. I think everyone will be able to do it. So be ready with your pencil or marker. In my case, this is a marker, and let's draw these two easy caterpillars. Bubu, as usually, Bubu is going to stay here. Okay, I start with two big circles, not really big actually, with two circles. Okay, and this is the eyes. I always start with the eyes. Okay, two circles and one circle or like oval. Then this is the head. Then I will draw some more circles or like semicircle actually, just one, and then here 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, then I give two antenna here, just one here and one here. See, it's very easy. Okay, and I will draw another one here. If you have followed my videos, I always love interaction or like a backstory behind my drawing. So this is the second, and I also like friendship. I don't like my drawing to be alone. You know, the object in my drawing to be alone. So this caterpillar must have a friend. Therefore, I draw here like so. Actually, the steps are going to be the same. Yeah, and for this one, okay, so it's like this one's looking at the other caterpillar. Okay, and sometimes you see the caterpillar which looks like, what is it, like they are so curved. It's like an upside down U. So that's what I'm going to draw. So circle here and another circle or semicircle there, then one more here. Oh, it's a little bit smaller, it's okay. Then here and the last here. Okay, so we have two caterpillar and antenna 1, antenna 2. Okay, since I already have the object, so I know where the eyes should look. This one looks there and this one looks here. So it should be here, it's going down, and this one's looking up. Okay, so it's like they're talking, hey, there's something there. Okay, and the mouth is very simple. Curve, one, and this is like another curve here. Okay, and it's one curve here, another curve under it. Okay. Okay, so next I will just draw, what is it? Sometimes they have fur, right? The fur, yeah, I don't want them to all be covered with fur. Just something which, what is it? Yeah, I just want to draw. Tap, tap, yeah. So maybe it's here and the other, it's here and it's here. Here, okay. Or maybe here, so it doesn't look plain. And I want to draw like a line here because, okay, so it doesn't look plain, right? Okay, basically we finished. Then I will draw like the soil, so it's not like it's flying, right? Okay. Oh, just that. It's really easy. Some grass, little stones maybe. Another grass here. Okay, I will draw a stone or gravel. Yeah, I think that's the correct term. Okay, and maybe grass here. Okay, that's it. We finished with the drawing. Okay, now I will color it. I want to color each of them with different colors. Yeah, so the first one, like maybe the one on the left, I will use some greens. So I always use different gradation or different shades of green, so it will give our drawing some volume. And I think this is a good idea if you want to do it also. So this is, it doesn't look like one dimension or plain. And to blend and smoothen everything, I use cotton bud. Okay, that's it. We finished with with our caterpillar today. What do you think, Bubu? Do you think it's easy? It's easy. So I think it's easy and everyone can do it. Okay? And please support me with a like, share, and also subscribe if you haven't. And we will meet again in my next video tutorial. Bye for now. Bye.